highly welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you are new to this channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to the channel. Gracias. So on this channel I create sewing content, sewing tutorials, just everything in the sewing niche. Alright, so if you're interested, please do it by subscribing to the channel and also like the video as well, and share this channel to anyone you know it to be of help to. So in today's video I'm going to be making a patchwork. I have so many fabrics that I'll be using. I've been keeping them for a long time now, so today I actually want to join all the pieces together and then make something new. Alright, so it's going to be like a patchwork, so please watch till the end, like the video. Alright, and yeah, let's get into it. I have so many of this fabric that I've been keeping for a while now, different colors of the African print fabric, so it can actually work with other fabrics as well. So if you have African print fabrics, you can actually work with it. If you have other like chinos material, you can also join different colors together and also work with it. So I have actually only African print fabric that I was actually keeping. So let's get into it. So guys, these are the scrap fabric I'll be making use of in this project. I have so many of them, so many that I actually kept for a while now. I've been keeping for a while now. As you can see, there are ones that are bigger, there are ones that are smaller. Alright, so let's just get into the cutting process. So now this is the fabric I'll be using to cut. I'm just differentiating the good from the bad side. So now I'll be measuring 4.5 inches of depth and then 4.5 inches of width as well. So it's going to be 4.5 inches by 4.5 inches. All right, just the same way you see me measuring in this video. So now after doing that, I'll just go ahead and connect it to the downside and then to the other side as well, and the upper side as well. So I'll go ahead and cut it out just the same way you see, like this. So guys, after cutting, I'll go ahead and use this as a template to cut the other ones as well. I'll continue placing it on it to cut other ones as well, just the same way you see, like this. So that's what I'm going to be using. So guys, instead of placing it one, you can decide to fold it into 2, 3 or 4 and then cut at once, because if you are cutting it one, it's going to take a long time. All right, so you fold it into 2 or 3 or 4. So I've gone ahead to cut, and then I will also be using it to place on this other color of the fabric to cut the same thing. As you can see on this one, I actually folded it into 2 to cut at once. So I was done with the other one. I'll also go ahead and place it on this other color as well. So these are all the ones that I've cut so far. I'll be using them as a template to cut on the other colors of the scrap fabric. Okay, so that's what I'm going to continue doing until I will get all the fabrics. So guys, this is what I have after I was done cutting all the fabrics. As you can see, it actually took a long time, but I was done. This is the first batch, this is the second one. As you can see, it's much, it's very much, and then this is the third. So the next thing is that I'm going to be bringing my pins, my office pins, and then I'll be placing different colors of the fabric. I'll place this one, look for another color. I'm not going to be placing the same color together. All right, so I will look for different colors and then place them. So I'll continue looking for different colors of the Ankara fabrics, the patchwork, and then place them as you can see in this video. I'm going to be placing 10 of it. So guys, after doing that, I have 10 of it already. So now I'll bring my pins and then I'll be placing the right sides of each of the pieces facing each other, and then I'll go ahead and pin it down with my office pins, just the same way you see, like this. When I'm done, I'll also pick the other one, place it the right sides facing each other, and also pin it until I'll exhaust the 10 of the Ankara pieces. So guys, after pinning it, this is actually what I have. I have about 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and then 10 of the pieces all together. So now I'll take it to my sewing machine and sew on each of the pieces just the same way you see like this, where I actually pin them. I will sew it and then I'll also go ahead and do the same thing with these other ones that are here as well. So it's going to be 10 on each line. So guys, now I'm here on my sewing machine as you can see. So I'm just sewing each of the pieces, cutting out the thread, removing the pins that I actually pinned them down with already. I'll remove them and then sew it all the way through to the end. So guys, after sewing all the pieces, this is what I actually have. This is actually the last one. This is what I have. So I'll go ahead and do the same thing with those other ones as well. So guys, this is what I have. I'm done sewing them. The other ones I actually started ironing them, and these ones I have 40 of them. This is 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So I have 45 pieces of it all together. These ones I already ironed them, so now I'll go ahead and iron these other ones as well. So after I'm done ironing, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be placing the right side of the fabric facing each other just the same way you see like this, and then I'll take it to my sewing machine and sew it all the way down. As you can see, I ironed these ones. I will repeat the same process with those other ones. So guys, this is what I have after I was done joining all the pieces together. You see how beautiful the whole thing looks like, and you see how long and wide it is. It's really beautiful. So you can actually sew a dress, a skirt, or a top from this new fabric we have made. And I have this other one as well. I have 2 of them. Okay, it's really beautiful. So let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying a patchwork fabric and then sewing something with it. So now I have, this is 1 yard 36, this is 2 yards. As you can see, I'm just measuring it to show you guys. It's 2 yards, and then we have about 21 inches extra. Okay, so we have 2 yards and 21 inches for this one, and then this other one I'll also measure it and show you guys. We have 1 yard, that's 36 inches, 1 yard, and then the rest for this side is 7.5 inches. So all in all, we have about 3 yards and 28.5 inches. So guys, this is what I have after I was done doing the patchwork. It's really beautiful. So I'll be using this patchwork fabric to actually sew something for myself. So subscribe to watch the video on the channel. Bye.